Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Now, we will learn the letters of the alphabet and its sounds. We will start with letter A. The sound of letter A is A. Can you say it again? Very good. And A is for an. Can you say another examples starts with letter A? This is letter B. The sound of letter B is B. Can you say it again? Very good. And B is for ball. Can you say another example starts with letter B? This is letter C. The sound of letter C is K. Can you say it again? Very good. And C is for candy. Can you say another examples starts with letter C? This is letter D. The sound of letter D is D. Can you say it again? Very good. And D is for duck. Can you say another examples starts with letter D? This is letter E. The sound of letter E is E. Can you say it again? Very good. And E is for envelope. Can you say another examples starts with letter E? This is letter F. The sound of letter F is F. Can you say it again? Very good. And F is for fish. Can you say another examples starts with letter F? This is letter G. The sound of letter G is G. Can you say it again? Very good. And G is for goat. Can you say another examples starts with letter G? This is letter H. The sound of letter H is H. Can you say it again? Very good. And H is for hanger. Can you say another examples starts with letter H? This is letter I. The sound of letter I is I. Can you say it again? Very good. And I is for ink. Can you say another example starts with letter I? This is letter J. The sound of letter J is J. Can you say it again? Very good. And J is for jacket. Can you say another examples starts with letter J? This is letter K. The sound of letter K is K. Can you say it again? Very good. And K is for kite. Can you say another examples starts with letter K? This is letter L. The sound of letter L is L. Can you say it again? Very good. And L is for leaf. Can you say another examples starts with letter L? This is letter M. The sound of letter M is mm. Can you say it again? Very good. And M is for mango. Can you say another example starts with letter M? This is letter N. The sound of letter N is N. Can you say it again? Very good. And N is for net. Can you say another example starts with letter N? This is letter O. The sound of letter O is O. Can you say it again? Very good. And O is for orange. Can you say another example starts with letter O? This is letter P. The sound of letter P is P. Can you say another example starts with letter O? This is letter P. The sound of letter P is P. Can you say another example starts with letter O? This is letter P. The sound of letter P is. This is letter P. The sound of letter P is. This is letter P. The sound of letter P is. This is letter P. The sound of letter P is. This is letter P. The sound of letter P is. Can you say it again? Very good. And P is for pencil. Can you say another example starts with letter P? This is letter Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. Can you say it again? Very good. And Q is for queen. Can you say another example starts with letter Q? This is letter R. The sound of letter R is R. Can you say it again? Very good. And R is for rainbow. Can you say another example starts with letter R? This is letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Can you say it again? Very good. And S is for sun. Can you say another example starts with letter S? This is letter T. The sound of letter T is T. Can you say it again? Very good. And T is for table. Can you say another example starts with letter T? This is letter U. The sound of letter U is U. Can you say it again? Very good. And U is for umbrella. Can you say another example starts with letter U? This is letter V. The sound of letter V is V. Can you say it again? Very good. And V is for vase. Can you say another example starts with letter V? This is letter W. The sound of letter W is W. Can you say it again? Very good. And W is for wallet. Can you say another examples starts with letter W? This is letter X. The sound of letter X is X. Can you say it again? Very good. And X is for X-ray. Can you say another example starts with letter X? This is letter Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. Can you say it again? Very good. And Y is for yarn. Can you say another example starts with letter Y? This is letter Z. The sound of letter Z is Z. Can you say it again? Very good. And Z is for zipper. Can you say another example starts with letter Z? Very good, kids. Until next time. Thank you for watching.